Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Goodness Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 BL Mazda 3 MPS Hatch, stock reference number 4643. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Right hand Xenon headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand Xenon headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror indicator type. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags, the left front has a good tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. We have the left hand seal skirt, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right power door mirror indicator type. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior with red stitching. Black leather center console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, 6-speed, dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.